Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Basecamp. We'll dive into their core functionalities, exploring how each platform approaches project management and team collaboration. I'll help you understand their unique strengths, from Notion's highly customizable workspace to Basecamp's streamlined communication tools. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which solution best fits your team's specific needs and workflow, ensuring you make an informed decision for your organization. When looking at core features, Notion stands out with its incredible flexibility, allowing you to build custom dashboards, wikis, and databases tailored to your exact requirements. Basecamp, conversely, offers a more structured suite of tools, including dedicated message boards, to-do lists, and a centralized schedule, all designed to keep project communication clear and organized. Notion provides a versatile canvas, while Basecamp delivers a focused, integrated project hub for teams. When considering cost, Notion offers a free personal plan, and its team plans typically begin around $8 per user per month, scaling with your team's size. Basecamp, on the other hand, often provides a flat-rate model, which can be around $300 per month for unlimited users, offering predictable expenses. This means Notion's cost grows with your team, while Basecamp provides a consistent, fixed price for expanding organizations, simplifying budgeting for larger groups. Ultimately, your choice depends on your team's specific needs. Notion is perfect if you require a highly customizable, all-in-one workspace for everything from personal notes to complex databases and wikis. It thrives on flexibility. Basecamp, however, shines for teams needing a straightforward, integrated solution for project management, emphasizing clear communication and structured task completion. If you value adaptability, choose Notion. For streamlined project coordination, Basecamp is likely your better fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.